up there, a helicopter. A helicopter. Do you know what a helicopter looks like? Helicopter is a vehicle.
Helicopter is a vehicle.
Vehicle. Okay.
Helicopter is a vehicle.
Okay. Then show me what kind of a vehicle is it. You said helicopter is a vehicle. You said helicopter is a vehicle. You show me. You don't show me. Let him show me. Where is the helicopter? Where is the? There is. Helicopter. Very nice. There is the helicopter. Now say it properly. It's easy to say. There is. Listen to me. There is helicopter. 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 Copter. Helicopter. So you must say all these things. Come on, say these things with me. Say it, come on. Watch me. Together, everybody, and properly. Helicopter. That's right. No. Helicopter. That's right. Copter. Again. Come on, do it. No. Listen. Okay. They have to get into the habit of voicing the syllables with that stress. They have to feel that. Okay? Syllable is a voice. Always. Okay? There is no silent syllable. Okay? Helicopter. Okay? So there are 4 syllables. They have to pronounce that. He is not pronouncing one of them. In fact, 2 syllables he is not. So that is a wrong thing. Listen. Helicopter. Copter, like he is saying. See, you remember? See? Oh, okay. Again now. One by one. You have to say it nicely. Again and again. Never mind if you make a mistake. Mouth closed. If your mouth is moving, you can't talk. And you have to listen. Listen when I am doing it. Helicopter. See? Again. Mouth closed. Helicopter. That's right. You do that?
Helicopter.
Okay. Listen to me. Helicopter. Very good. Very nice. So, now say the sentence. There is Listen to me. There, you do it like that, like I'm saying it. It's easy for you. There is helicopter. No. What did I say? See, you must do exactly what I do. There is helicopter.
There is helicopter.
Yes.
There is helicopter.
Very good. There is. Pay attention. There is helicopter. There is again. There is sequence he has to remember. All this he has not had the practice because you have not been doing it. And here when I make him doing it, he starts crying. So again, no practice here. So when he's cooperating, I can get, and saying it again and again, that's no reason to cry. If he cooperates, he will get the practice and he will get it better. Isn't it? This is the reason when they don't cooperate here. This is how at home he doesn't get this practice. And here when I make him say it again, he starts crying. So where does he get the practice? So you have to listen to me. What did I hear?
You heard.
You heard me. Heard.
You heard helicopter.
That's right. So you say that. You, listen to me, mouth closed. You Helicopter.
Helicopter.
That's right. Say it again. Uh. You heard. Mouth closed. Heard means past tense again. You will be used right. You heard. Say that. Remember and say it. Say it again. Try and remember.